Okay, so from here up to today, which is the year 2018 actually, so we see that there has been a steady pattern here, a movement or growth here. So we could say that the number of visitors or tourists, not to say all the time visitors. So the number of tourists has grown steadily since 2005, reaching to just below or under 9 millions, right? So it's until today. What you're going to say, present perfect tense. That's very important because we have this trend, right? This is, let's say, this is the beginning of this trend from the year 2005 until today. This shift or this steady pattern, steady trend that we have, we could look at it from the year 2005 until 2018. So the tense that we are going to use, basically, the tense that we're going to use is present perfect tense. Okay, but how about future? It's also important because we have until 2020. This is the year 2020, right? 2020. This is rather like a prediction. So be sure that you're using, first of all, a future tense or something that tells the audience it is about future. So this is actually a very good expression or phrase that you can use here. It can be speculated that, speculated that, or can be predicted, you could also say that one, or projected as well, or it might be predicted as well, you could say that it might be predicted that the trend will continue steadily until 2020. If you want to, you can mention also, it's not that important, just mention also the specific number, like reaching above, 9 millions. So once again, this is the start point. The population of visitors stood at just under 1 million in 1990. Be careful about the differences that you show. Don't just include a whole lot of data and details into your work, because your work is going to be very boring. The examiner, what actually examiner expects to read in your work is categorization and grouping of different classes of data, those that actually have got to go together and make sense. Make sure to include significant differences. So as you can see, you see a significant difference all along this process or this trend from the year 1990 to the year 2020. In 30 years, you're going to see huge differences, right? So there is significant actual difference from what we have here in the year 1990 to what we see here, or we might see actually there in the year 2020. Stats, figures are important. Just don't fill up your work with stats and figures. I think I've mentioned everything. All right, good luck.